Welcome to Consumer Flix, your hub for the latest drone reviews, leaks, and epic comparisons. Helicopter. In today's showdown, DJI Avata 3 vs DJI Mini 5 Pro, will it be the FPV thrill or compact precision that wins your heart? We're diving deep into flight performance, camera capabilities, and overall user experience. Whether you're into cinematic shots or adrenaline-fueled FPV flying, this battle has it all. Stick around to see which drone truly dominates in 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more high-flying content on Consumer Flix. Design and portability. DJI Avata 3. The DJI Avata 3 sticks with a sinuhoop-style duct design, offering enhanced durability and protection for indoor and tight space FPV flying. Its frame is compact but slightly heavier than the Mini series, built for handling high-speed maneuvers and mild impacts during immersive flight. DJI Mini 5 Pro. In contrast, the DJI Mini 5 Pro, expected evolution of the Mini 4 Pro, continues the ultra-lightweight, foldable design philosophy, weighing under 249 g. It's crafted for maximum portability, legal convenience, no registration in many regions, and seamless packing for travelers and on-the-go creators. Flight experience and handling. DJI Avata 3. The Avata 3 is geared toward immersive FPV flight, using DJI goggles and motion controller, offering precise, fast-paced manual flying for capturing thrilling shots. It excels in tight and complex environments with sharp turns and low-altitude flight. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The Mini 5 Pro focuses on automated, stable flight, including waypoint missions, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and precision hovering. Its refined controls and AI-powered flight features make it ideal for cinematic shooting with minimal effort or piloting skill. Camera capabilities. DJI Avata 3. Avata 3 is likely to improve on its predecessor with a larger sensor and better low-light performance, possibly retaining rocksteady and horizon steady for smooth video capture during rapid movements. It's perfect for dynamic footage but may lack a mechanical gimbal for ultra-fine stabilization. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Mini 5 Pro is expected to include a 1-inch or upgraded CMOS sensor, with 4K per 120 frames per second video, true vertical shooting, and a 3-axis gimbal for stabilized, high-resolution photography and videography. It's more suited for traditional content creators who want professional-grade visuals in a compact package. User accessibility and learning curve. DJI Avata 3. Avata 3 has a steeper learning curve, especially in manual, acro, mode, which requires pilot skill and experience. It's best suited for enthusiasts or professionals familiar with FPV drones, though beginner-friendly modes may still be available. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Mini 5 Pro remains beginner-friendly, thanks to intuitive controls, app integration, and automated flight modes. It's designed for casual users, vloggers, and professionals who need dependable results with minimal flying expertise. Best use scenarios. DJI Avata 3. Avata 3 thrives in creative FPV shoots, capturing unique perspectives in confined spaces, indoor tours, or high-energy outdoor fly-throughs. It's ideal for filmmakers, FPV hobbyists, and real estate or action content creators. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Mini 5 Pro is the go-to choice for aerial photography, vlogging, landscape shooting, and solo creator content, with unmatched portability, automated flight, and versatile camera features. Real-time transmission and range performance. DJI Avata 3. On the other hand, the DJI Avata 3 prioritizes low-latency HD transmission, crucial for fast-paced FPV flying. While its range may be slightly shorter than the Mini 5 Pro's, it delivers instant feedback through the DJI goggles, giving pilots the confidence and control needed for precision maneuvers. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to feature OcuSync 4.0 or newer, offering up to 20 kilometers of transmission range with crisp 1080p live video feed, ideal for long-distance scenic flights and professional-grade monitoring. Battery life and charging efficiency. DJI Avata 3. Meanwhile, the DJI Avata May 3 see moderate improvements in battery life over its predecessor, likely offering around 20 to 25 minutes per charge, which is typical for FPV drones due to higher power demands. Though shorter, its batteries may support hot swapping and quick recharges to keep up with action-heavy shooting. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer extended flight times, potentially up to 40 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, making it ideal for long shoots and travel sessions without frequent battery swaps. Its USB-C fast charging support enhances convenience for creators on the go. Conclusion. Choose the DJI Avata 3 if you're after immersive, action-packed FPV flying with cinematic agility. Go for the DJI Mini 5 Pro if you want a portable, camera-focused drone that's easy to use and delivers stunning aerial footage right out of the box. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter. So, are you Team Avata 3 for the FPV rush or Team Mini 5 Pro for smooth, compact precision? Drop your pick in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest drone comparisons and reviews. See you in the next flight.